Hey guys, what's up? I have a quick announcement for you guys for a very fun Twitch stream that's going to be coming up very soon. So as of right now, I'm currently on my trip in Europe, so I thought I would just use today as an announcement for the Twitch stream that the Twitch community recently unlocked. So on the Twitch streams, I have something called a stream boss that whenever someone donates, subscribes, follows, hosts, anything, it would take off a chunk of health from the stream boss. And this first round stream boss was a drunk stream specifically, and just recently the Twitch stream completely annihilated the boss, and now I am officially announcing the first McCaigue drunk stream. So this stream will be on April 21st, 2018. It's going to be a couple days after I get back from my Europe trip, and we are going to be doing a community blob challenge. So if you don't know already, I did a blob challenge, I don't know how many months ago, but I'll have a little annotation right here, where I basically took random shapes and created something out of them. So I wanted to do this again on the drunk stream, but I wanted to include you guys by having you help me create the blobs that I will be using. So how this is gonna work is you can send me one blob of your choice of shape. Please, not everyone send me suggestive shapes. I'm saying it now. I will probably eliminate yours if it's obviously suggestive. So if you want yours picked, just make a good looking blob. And you have until April 20th to submit the blob to kmccaigueart@gmail.com. So please, just one blob per entry. I wanna make sure I get through a lot of them and see how many community ones I can finish. And this can be traditional or digital. The one thing I say with both is just make sure you have a nice sized picture. It doesn't need to be huge, but as long as it's not like crazy pixelated that I can't tell what it is, it should work perfectly fine. So just to quickly go over everything I covered in this video, the drunk stream will be on April 21st at 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, and then you have until April 20th to submit your blob to kmccaigueart@gmail.com. And then finally, if you want to join the Twitch stream, it will be at twitch.tv/kmccaige, and there will also be a link down in the description. So I hope to see you guys there. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. We're just going to have a chill, fun stream with a couple drinks and try to figure out how well I can translate your guys' blobs into something tangible. So I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will be seeing all of you next week for a very fun live stream. Bye, everybody.